If you are an engineering student and preparing for board exam, this Canon calculator, the F789 SGA, is the best for you. By the way, ito yung pinaka-latest na nilabas ng Canon na kanilang calculator. So this is the transparent version of the Canon F789 SGA calculator nila. So to authenticate, you can scan the QR codes na nasa labas po ng ating box once na na-receive po natin. What I like about this calculator, aside sa ang ganda ng pagka-transparent po niya, pwede po ito sa mga board exams gaya ng civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and other type of board exams. Pwede din ata ito sa licensure examination for teachers and accountancy. So i-check na lang po natin yung mga latest announcement ng PRC regarding their policies on taking board exam. Pero I guess and I think na itong Canon F789 SGA ay approved po ng ating PRC. So let us now check the mode or the different functions na pwede po natin i-check dito sa Canon F789 SGA. So lapit ako. So ayan po siya guys. As you can see, ayan, may kita natin yung kanyang brand dito. Then, if we're going to press mode, ayan. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin. So, we have 1, 2, 8 up to vector. So, try natin yung equation. So, I will press 5. Then, how many unknown? I'm just going to press 1 if 2 unknown, press 2 if 3 unknown. So, let's say 2 unknown tayo. Then, i-insert na natin ngayon yung mga equations na pwede natin. Ayan, so A, B, C. All you need to do is to identify A, B, C. Okay, since wala akong maibigay na problem, skip natin yan. Mode, then, balik tayo sa 1. Try natin yung complex fraction. So, ilang liner pala to? So, this is 4 liner. So, to test, first, then second fraction. Dapat isang fraction sa numerator, fraction ng numerator, then baba pa tayo, fraction din ng denominator. So fraction over a fraction. So let us compute. Let's say we have 5 over 6 all over 8 over 9. Yan. So, first, second, third, and fourth line. Then, press equal sign at ito yung bibigay sa ating sagot. 15 over 16. Now, kapag decimal ang gusto mo, just press the FD to convert into decimal. Alright, so fraction to decimal and vice versa. So, ano pa inaantay natin? Pwede na po tayo mag-purchase ng Canon F789 SGA na calculator na ito. At magagamit natin ito. So, soon I will be using this calculator to solve matrix and vector as well as equation kung paano po natin gagamitin at mag-utilize ang calculator na Canon F789 SGA. So, kapag gusto mong bumili, yes, ikaw, gusto mong bumili, kindly check it out in the yellow basket, then mag-purchase ka na.